Hello, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. We're in front of Samurai 888 Kacasumi. And if you guys can let me know if I said it right, please let me know. We were next to Samurai, her brother, but her brother didn't want to go ahead and work. So we'll go ahead and turn the volume up. And let's start out with 188 and see if it's Kacasumi is good with double AZ slots. And this machine is brand new, and we're here at the High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. Let's try to see if we can get a bonus. Oh, okay, I see. To get the going coin, the jackpot, and the real boost. See if Mr. Samurai is over. Yeah, we got some wilds. Oh, that was a nice hit for 780. That's pretty good. Oh, we got a jackpot. Well, I tell you what, let's see what happens. We got a feature, jackpot feature, 8 free games. And the luck of double AZ slots. Let's go for it and see what we can get. Oh, okay, let's get the diamonds, get a minor or a mini. Oh, major would be nice. A grand would be even better. Well, we won the minor out of that one. Thank you very much. Keep it going. Thank you, Kacasumi. And we still got 2 more games to play. Wow. Well, we got the major winner, 363. Like when I was in Okinawa in the Marine Corps, domo arigato gozaimasu. One more grand. Give me a grand. Give me a grand. Got another minor. Hey, just one more to go to grand. Of course, the last one, they won't give me any of them. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Miss Samurai 888 Kacasumi. Domo arigato gozaimasu. 428.16. And I think that's a pretty nice little hit. Well, of course, keep in mind, double AZ Slots always does backup spins. And In this case, we'll do a 388. Do a couple of these. Go down to 450, unless we get a real boost. Got two more. Well, one more just in case. Another one just in case. Oh, look at the wires. All right. That should do it. Thank you very much there, Samurai 888 Kacasumi. And hopefully everybody enjoyed this quick session of Samurai 888 Kacasumi. If you did enjoy it, just hit the thumbs up and tell your family and friends, pass it around to them. And if you haven't subscribed to AAZ Slots YouTube channel, go ahead. We got more videos on the way. So take care, and I'll see you in a few.